L-track, short for logistics track, is a milled piece of aluminium extrusion that allows tie-down fittings to be placed at any point along its length, which is much more convenient as you can place it anywhere along the track instead of just being restricted to where you already had a fixed tie-down point. We're going to cut some slots in the carpet and the rear drawers and bolt down some of this stuff, and we'll show you how. Down there.
This side is actually cut enough.
So now we've got a channel down the side that's free-ish of carpet after a little bit of messing around. Now obviously DIN 912 screws are not appropriate for every single application, this one being an obvious example where that is countersunk, but I'm just using it to get what length of screw we should buy. The 25mm still sits well clear of everything, sticks out enough to get a nut on. Alright, close the door. Well, what do you think?
It's something.
It's humid out here. So the L-track's in, but the current situation is we need to put the stoppers in the back of the drawer so that the drawer doesn't open all the way and fall out. The recommended way of doing that is to take off this top section and put the drawer in, but we needed to take the drawer out to put these bolts in. We're going to tape the drawer stops to the end of a coat hanger straightened out, so we're just going to stick that down the side, put the screws in, then turn the wire and yank. So as you can see, here's the finished product. L-track in here, 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 and there. So you can see this is a rather ridiculous example, but you get tie-down points exactly where you want them. We ran out of nylock nuts, so now I've got more. Let's replace them.